heated debate has erupted between Walter Muzembe and George Charamba on X, formerly Twitter, regarding the relevance of liberation parties in Africa. Muzembe sparked the conversation by stating that most liberation parties have reached the end of their shelf life and must reform or face demise. He emphasized that renewal through meritocracy is crucial for survival, citing Botswana's recent elections as a prime example of a shift away from entitlement-driven politics. Charamba responded by questioning Muzembe's labeling of defeated parties in Botswana and Mauritius as liberation movements, calling it a twisted narrative. Muzembe countered, urging Charamba to focus on the substance of his argument rather than resorting to name-calling. This exchange highlights the complexities of liberation movements' transitions into democratic governments. Experts note that these parties often struggle to adapt to changing societal needs, leading to voter disillusionment and decreased support. The recent elections in Botswana, where the Umbrella for Democratic Change party unseated the long-ruling Botswana Democratic Party, serve as a prime example of this shift.